Hey, welcome back, guys, to the Print House. Today I just wanted to do kind of a motivation video, and it's kind of like I'm having a moment where I've had my best weekend in sales since I started my shop. It's a little messy on my table here because I also have a custom CNC parts business. All my sales up to this point from the last 4 months has not involved the HP Latex printer or cutter at all. It only has to do with my laser cutting, my DTG printing, my Epson and LX610 printing and laser, I said that, and then my CNC cutting. Okay, it has nothing to do with my HP Latex or my Fusion IQ that I just got not too long ago. But I'm just gonna do something here that I've never done before, just because I get people ask me, how much can I make down here? And I've had a couple questions, not a lot. I only had a couple times where somebody has asked me, how much can you make doing this? Most of my sales have been my custom parts, but because I have these printers, these two printers have been added to my custom parts business. Let me tell you why, because I do custom stickers and part stickers that go with them, and these are all for the LX610s, all for my product labeling. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you my PayPal account, guys. This is going to be the truth here. I'm just going to show you what I'm making in 7 days, what I'm making in 30 days, and what I'm making in 90 days. I'm logged into my PayPal account right now. I just want to be transparent, let you guys know that you can do this too. This is only, I'm not even scratching the surface of what I'm going to be able to make in here once I start selling my HP Latex work or the cutter work, just printing in general. So here, I got my PayPal up. You can see my 7-day totals here. I covered up my debit card number and my name on the top here. So, here's, you can see, there's my balance, right? That's what I have in my PayPal. Now, if you go to, if you look at the 7-day here, you see my 7 days averaging at $17.99. That's in one week. Now, if we go to 30 days, you'll see that I'm averaging 51, because I had a better, the later 2 weeks of the 30 days probably than the first day. So I imagine in another week or so that's going to jump up to over 6,000. Okay, and then my 90 days. My 90 days is 11,100. Okay, that's what I'm making averagely after 90 days. Now I know that's going to jump up because the last 2 weeks have been way higher for my 7-day. So I know that's going to jump up. I was averaging around, I want to say 11 or 1,200 maybe my 7 days, but the last couple of weeks I've been averaging, over 1,700 a week. So, guys, don't be afraid to invest a little bit of money in equipment. These two have been my best money makers to go with my CNC part business that I do in there. These have been amazing. I love these two printers, guys. Honestly, I don't sell work on this. This is all my product labeling. That's all I do with this. Product labeling for our business. That's it. I have done some magnets and I've done some other things on it, but I'm not marketing for anything except using it for my personal labeling. That's it. It's been great. I do. I'll go into detail in another video what I do. But and then my Epson. My Epson is doing some special project decals that I have a customer that buys in bulk, and he is keeping this thing busy. I'm buying another Epson. I'm buying another one just like it. So between that, my CNC, my laser. This is what I'm achieving right now, and this is part-time. This is not including my regular income. So, and this may be a little bit of money to somebody else, it may be a lot of money to others, but I'm just showing you that, don't be afraid to invest a little money and time in yourself and your business if you know it's going to make yourself money. My wife trusts me when I say I want to buy equipment and whatnot, but don't be afraid. We are making money on the DTGs too. That's the stuff we're doing on that goes with my custom parts business also. It's a whole package deal that I got going on, so it's doing really well for me. I'm at a point where I don't know if I can handle more work at this for what I do, for not the printing, but just for my custom CNC and the printing. But I'm telling you that now I'm getting busier. I'm having my son help me more. I would love to get my 7-day up to 2,000, at least 2,000 a week, and my 30-day, to 10. That would be awesome if I could do that. Between 8 and 10,000 for my 30-day. That would be great. My 90-day, like I said here, it's showing 11.1 or something like that. Yeah, 11.14. That's my average. So I'm going to check it tomorrow and see where it's at. But yeah, so that's it, guys. I just wanted to show. I'm not bragging. I'm not anything, because, you know, I just want you to know that work hard. I have not worked so hard in my life that I have the last 3 or 4 months since I've been down here doing this stuff. I have never worked this hard, but I'm telling you, the money is driving me. It's driving me to work more to stack that money. And especially in this economy, guys, this is unheard of. If I wasn't doing, I was averaging maybe 200 to 300 a week before this, before I started my printing stuff here. With the laser and CNC, I was averaging 200-300 a week, and I was fine. I wasn't trying to pay my mortgage with it. I was just trying to get extra money, like a part-time job. Now this has become more than a full-time job, and you know, I do videos with my wife because she's down here also doing stuff, and it's just amazing, guys. So this is just a Sunday moment for me, just trying to give a little bit of motivation to you guys. Hey, if you start doing well like I have, start posting up your PayPal. It's inspirational. When I seen somebody else do it in a video. That's why I'm doing this. I seen somebody else post, and not to brag, they were just posting to show you and give you motivation, and it works, you know. So this is my 7-day, guys. You know, this is more than a part-time job, as you can see. So I'm not gonna. I don't know if I go down low, you'll see my transactions, but I mean, there's transactions here. You can see all that. So, I mean, just yesterday alone, I made $400. If you add up all this, yeah, I even withdrew $800 right there. Look, I took out $800 of the ATM yesterday, and these are all payments from the weekend. So that's it, guys. Just a little bit of inspirational motivation video today, showing my PayPal, and you can do it too. All right, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, hit the notification. Bye.